Hi there, this video is going to be about adding news items. News items are basically posts, and posts are over here on the left hand side. So if we go into posts, you'll see ones that are already there. So what we need to do is basically add new. This is the add new screen. If I take you over to an actual post that's already there, I'll show you where things appear and what to put where. So there's three basic components to a news post. There's a title, some copy, and an image if you're just putting one image in. So we'll go over. Here's the title, here's the copy, and here's the image. We'll go back to adding a new one, so I'll put this is a test post. This post is to show how to do a news item. So, I mean, that copy can be paragraphs and paragraphs, if you so wish. Now, the third element is set a featured image. I've noticed that quite a few posts have had this generic Artisan retail logo placeholder, so we'll use that one again. So we go to there. The last thing we need to do, quite simply, is put it in the news category. So now if we publish that, that's published, and we go into the news area, you'll notice that here it is. This is a test post with the image we've put in. So if we read more, that's it. And that is very, very simply how to do a quick news post.